How to lock your Facebook profile. Hello everyone and welcome to Create, Login and Delete. So without further ado, let's jump into how you can lock your Facebook profile. Go to the Facebook app and in the bottom right corner of the screen, go to menu right here, slide down and go to settings and privacy. Then go to settings right here. Now at the top right corner of the screen, you should see the search icon. Click on the search icon and search for LOCKING, locking, right? And click on the first option right here, profile locking. And after you've done so, click on lock your profile, the blue option right here. Just click on lock your profile, and after you click on this and confirm that you want to lock your profile should be locked, and the photos and the videos, the posts, the stories that you post will only be able to be seen by your friends, no one else. People will still be able to send you friend requests though. If you just want to block that as well, you have to deactivate your account. Locking your profile will just enable your friends to observe the activities that you've been doing on Facebook. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.